by Kyle Echani. At hindi magpakahuli, Tony Pangilinan! Palakpakan naman po natin ang cast ng Roja. We have seen the journey, but the biggest battle to escape is yet to come. To give us a glimpse of what lies ahead, here is the official finale trailer of Roja, The Final Escape. Let's all watch this.
Sa huling 5 gabi, sabihin mo sa akin, nasaan si Ayet? Totoo ba man ako doon?
Bittersweet, so I'm just excited for everyone to see it.
And Donnie finally here. So you're, siguro, yun din, parang anong preview na mamibigay mo sa mga fans natin sa final.
Yeah, actually kami rin, first time namin mapanood tong teaser na to. And I think, just looking at it now, hindi nawawala talaga yung intensity ng Roja yung buong series. Kasi palaging may mga tanong kung anong mangyayari next, kung mamamatay ba tong tao na to, kung paano nila may escape tong problema na to. So, the most interesting part for me was looking at it now, kung gaano kalayo yung itsura namin lahat. Simula na nag-start kami. Na sobrang relax lang tayo, happy-happy dun sa resort. Tapos ito, si Tito Joel halos parang mukha ka ng, hindi ko alam parang na-run over ka na ng kotse, nabangga ka na lahat, parang mukhang wala na parang
Nasa pusa yan.
ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan. It's the same with the show, we went through so many things. So all roads lead to this. Tsaka lahat ng mga tanong, masasagot na.
Ayan. And speaking of tanong, ito na po ang official start ng ating MediaCon. I'll stick to Donnie and Kyle. You mentioned blood, sweat, and tears, yung literal na pinagdadaanan dito sa fight scenes. Siguro any memorable fight scenes for you, Kyle, na nag-stick sa'yo top of mind?
Well, I can't say there's a certain one. Yung nakita niyong may bomba sa pier. That was one of the first times na makakalabas sana sila sa isla. Tapos may bomba and everything. I think the reason why it's so memorable is kasi di namin alam na totoong bomba yung pumutok.
Wow!
Yeah. So pareho kami ni Donnie. Nung tight shot kasi fire lang siya.
Yes.
And then nung wide shot, ayun, totoong sabog. Tingin namin, sabi namin ni Donnie, what the heck, man? Napatumba na
Hindi naman totoong bomba, totoong sabog.
Yeah, totoong sabog.
Grabe naman yung totoong
Just
bomba.
mukha siyang bomba.
Baka magalit yung crowd sa
Okay, so to clarify,
Oo.
totoong pagsabog, pero hindi siya legit.
Naman.
Okay. Just to be safe. Safety precaution. Okay yun po. Donnie, kasi na-mention ni Kyle kanina na yun nga, daming sugat. Did it ever come to a point na medyo may risk for injury? Kasi nga, syempre ma-action, it needs to look real.
Did it ever come or was there ever?
Was there ever?
Hindi. Kasi lahat po ng action scenes namin, I think every time papasok kami sa set, para may usapan na kami na kung may mangyayari man, of course, you don't want that to happen. Pero kung may masasaktan na konti or hindi mo maiwasan na may mangyari, we're all in this together talaga. So I think that's the most important part kung gagawa ka ng scene with someone, yung co-actor or actress mo. Mag-uusap kayo, ito gagawin ko, syempre mag-rehearse kayo. Pero pag nandun na kasi sa action, sa scene mismo, minsan hindi mo maiwasan. So yeah, there were times na na-injure talaga kami. And totoo yung blood, sweat, and tears. There were times na ito, fight namin ni Lou. Saan si Lou? Lou, na mo yung unang fight natin. Totoo yun, may sugat ako dito na malaki, dumudugo. Pero hindi kasalanan ni Lou yun. I think, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Pero ang ganda kasi ng kalabasan eh. So sometimes, those things need to happen. But yeah, I think the good thing is everyone's willing to go through it kasi alam nila na magiging worth it naman sa isa.
Tama, syempre para mas mapalabas yung realidad, di ba? Important thing is you're safe, healthy, and well. For Miss LT, working with both young and veteran talents po, is there still anything that surprised you or learned something from your co-stars?
With yung role niya, nung isa, kasi parang light lang, di ba? Parang nung later on, yung malaman niya na ako pala yung mastermind, yun yung pinakamabigat na eksena. And it took us 2 days para gawin yung eksena na yun, yung drama scene namin. And makikita mo talaga na yung intensity ng development niya then as a performer, as an actor, makikita mo talagang ang laki ng tinaas. Ganon. So, I'm so happy na nakasama ko si Donnie. Na eto na, yung kanyang first pinaka na parang action lead and all sa isang teleserye. Yun, so proud na naging nanay niya ako. And then, with the veterans, syempre naman, may laging bago, may lagi kang matututunan kasi nga, veteran na eh. Kasi kami nung nagkasama kami ni Joel, ano pa yun, mga bata pa kami. Pero syempre, ang laki na ng development dahil siguro din sa experience na natutunan namin. Isang malaking bagay kasi yun.
Tsaka nag-vary po yung roles. Nag-vary po yung roles kasi ngayon, so nag-iba din siya.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss LT. Miss Janice po, what can you say about working with a cast, especially the new gen of actors?
With everybody else, syempre, you know, I've worked with most of them. I think I've worked with all of them. So it was a joy having to work with them again. And then with the younger ones, noong una, hindi ko alam kung mag-fit in ako. Pakiba nila. Hindi mo pakiba nila sa akin. But it was fun because I got to know all of them. And like I said, I was happy that for the first time in a show, memorize ko lahat ng pangalan nila. Diba? And it means something to me, kasi hindi naman ako friendly tao. But apparently friends na kaming lahat, ha? More than friends na nga kami minsan eh. More than friends na, diba? So it was really fun and exciting for me.
So, Miss Janice, you would say na yung bond po ng cast is solid po siya?
OA.
Okay.
Oh.
More than friends.
You know, when you're locked in sa shoot, we were almost a couple of months in the island sa La Playa Roja. Araw-araw kami nagkikita, di ba? Minsan makikita mo sila ka nagtutoothbrush, di pa rin sila nagtutooth. Yung talagang everyday you see them. Every after work, we have this small gathering. We either talk all night, kwento, kahit may maagang taping the next day. It was such a joy because it strengthened our bonds. Sabi mo, may boat ride kami, every Sunday may volleyball, every rest day may volleyball, may kung ano-ano nagaganap. So it strengthened the bond. And I learned to play a few games.
Such as?
They taught me, Mr. White and Codenames. So diba, natuto ako mag-games ng mga ganon.
Mr. White.
Diba? So it was really a joy working with this group. That's why ako ang pinakaiyakin dito. Kasi every time na nararamdaman ko yung this is getting real, the end is getting real, umiiyak na ako.
Thank you, Miss Janice, for sharing those stories. Okay, so kay Maymay naman, who would have thought, actually this also came from the press, who would have thought Maymay would be doing an action series? Ano ang pinakamahirap or siguro medyo dangerous stunt na nagawa mo dito sa serie?
Bago ko po sagutin yung second question niyo, sir, pati ako hindi ako makapaniwala na pinagkatiwala po nila sa akin tong genre na to. Pero matagal ko na din pong sinasabi na sobrang pinakagusto kong at pangarap ko talaga gawin na yung action talaga po. Tapos hindi naman po ako naghahangad kumbaga na bigyan niyo po ako action mo, sige na mo. Hindi naman po. Kusa na lang siyang dumating sa tamang panahon na kung saan ready ako. Mentally, physically, emotionally. Tapos ready na din po ako mag-acting. Tapos nung sinabi nila na action nga po yung genre, yung totoo nga po yung character ko dapat walang action eh. Sabi ko, kung action na lang din po yung genre, pwede sama nila din po. Kasi gusto ko din talagang matuto. Tapos nung nag-training na po ako ng action, super lucky na ako kasi 3 days lang po yung training ko para magawa ko yung tamang suntok.
So kung magkakaroon ng panibagong opportunity na
Yes
magkaroon
po.
ng action ulit, you would
Ay, yes
consider
po,
highly
yes po,
consider.
100% po. Kaya kapag may nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung pinaka-mahirap na action, wala talaga kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Kaya hindi nga ako nagamit yung double ko kasi pwede ako na po lahat. Please ako na lahat. Ang gagawin ko po talaga. So yun, kung gagawin ko siya ulit, 100% talagang tatanggapin ko po.
Thank you, Maymay. Sir Joel, para